Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jinger Elizabeth. Now, I know I'm making a lot of noise because of my jacket that I have on, but today is going to be a little bit different than what we're used to. Today I'm going to be doing an ASMR. I've always seen these YouTube videos and they put me to sleep, so I thought I would do one. I'm well aware that this is very different than what you're used to. I'm not sure why. It keeps squeaking. I think because my laptop is too close to my microphone. But I'm gonna cue the intro and we're gonna get started. My gloss is popping. You like my hair? She thinks just started. I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it, yeah, I want it. Now, I'm going to be eating banana chips. Now I'm a fat bitch. Sorry. I'm a fat bitch, so I've already opened the package and eaten some. But I'm going to eat some. I'm gonna eat some. I'm so excited that I'm doing this. Now, when I eat these, like, am I supposed to like? That was my dog. I don't know if you can hear from over here. I heard it in my headphones, so maybe you can. Now, when I watch ASMR videos, I don't typically like the ones that make this noise. Well, it sounds a little bit better when I do it. I didn't like that. Sorry. I didn't like that. My mom bought me baby bottle lollipops. My mom just came in with pretzel pieces. I'm going to eat the baby bottle pop lollipop with popping powder. It's a baby bottle pop. It looks like this, and there's pop rock flavor in inside. So I'm going to lick this. And I'm gonna dip it inside and then eat it again. These are very, very, very good. Ooh. So I have to redo the part that I just did because I wasn't recording now, and I just got off the live with my friend Rocky, but her daughter watches my videos and her daughter didn't believe that Rocky knew me. So I want to say, hey Deja, and I know your mom. So what I just did was I basically I ate a watermelon. So I'm gonna sister slurp the watermelon. If you can see it, you can see I was sister slurping the watermelon up and none of it recorded. So now I have to re-sister slurp. So I'm gonna try to do this. The first time was a lot better. And I also said that my lipstick was definitely Sister Suck approved because my lipstick wasn't going anywhere until I ate this watermelon. I have a big chin, but obviously not a big mouth. Doesn't it sound amazing? I'm actually really fucking good at this. I want to sister slurp the juice, but I don't want to sister mess up my fucking makeup because I took a long time to do it. Do you guys see these wings? I'ma fly the fuck away, bitch. And this highlight is blinding, just like my ring light, and that's why I'm barely looking at the camera because my fucking eyes hurt. I'm not sure if I recorded this part, so I'm gonna redo it again. These are pretzel pieces. They're honey mustard and onion. My uncle really liked these. My uncle passed away, but it's okay, I'm gonna eat these. So he's happy. They make me very thirsty. I need a sister snack. Excuse me. I think that's all that I'm gonna do of those. They make me very thirsty. I got lipstick on the bottom of my mouth from eating this sister slurpable watermelon. My makeup is kind of messed up, but nothing Facetune can't fix. I also sister set my face with the sister setting spray. So I'm gonna do that again because it sounded really cool. that's it for my ASMR video. Thank you for watching. And if you stayed this long, thank you for bearing with my sister's sabotage of a sister slay. That didn't make sense. I apologize. But anyway, if you like this video, comment down below what other things that you would like me to eat. Maybe I could do my makeup in ASMR. Or maybe I'll do my hair in ASMR. Or maybe I'll just eat because I am a fat bitch. I do like food, so I don't mind doing these because they're kind of really fun. But the only challenging part about them is being quiet. I don't have a soft voice. I'm a loud fucking bitch. So I'll have to work on my whispering. It also gets you really out of breath. Maybe that's just me because I forget to breathe in my nose and out my mouth. But on another note, thank you for watching my YouTube video. Stay true, stay human, stay beautiful. Bye, guys. Oh yeah, subscribe because, like, why wouldn't you? I'm fucking cute and I'm hella funny.